If I want to turn my pie chart into a donut chart it's a pie chart with a hole in the middle. What if I tell you can do it with a change of 2 characters? That would be neat, right? So actually we can do that. We can keep our code exactly the same. When with a tiny little change we can turn our chart from a pie chart into a donut chart. Let's take a look. Look at our pie chart component, and if you remember, we're setting the inner circle and the outer circle of the arch. So the arc. So to make the change into a donut, all we have to do is change the inner radius from 0 to whatever inner size we want. So for example, if I change it to 50, let's take a look, and I refresh localhost, we got a 50 pixel hole in the middle for the inner. What I can do is I can actually change it to the size of the radius divided by 2. So half of the radius will be used for the inner space, and that's how I got this donut that will also gonna change when I'm resizing my screen. So it's better than just putting bake a number, because then it would not stay proportionally the same. So if you need a donut chart, you can see it's pretty simple. All you need to do is just change your inner radius.